your attention, please. Disney Cruise Line would like to remind all guests in boarding groups 1 through 16 to please proceed to the boarding area. Please be prepared to present a boarding pass for each member of your party. Guests and other boarding groups are kindly asked to remain seated or continue to enjoy the cruise terminal until your boarding group number has been announced.
Hola, les pedimos su atención por favor. Disney Cruise Line gustaría invitar a todos los huéspedes con el grupo de embarque del 1 al 16 a pasar a la zona de embarque. Por favor, esté preparado para presentar el pase de abordaje para cada miembro de su grupo. Huéspedes en otros grupos de abordaje, por favor, continúen disfrutando del terminal hasta que el número de su grupo sea anunciado.
Rocking to the ship. Why don't you go out? You know that? Oh, shut up. We all were down there on the dock, bro. We do the same thing. Shut up. Everybody's always trying to figure out how to get a plane.
I'll stay back here until it gets tied up. You hurt my I look out these woods, see if yeah.
Thank you. Have a great time. Thank you.
Disney Wish, please welcome aboard the Duncan family. Disney Wish, please welcome on board the Kirshner family. Disney Wish, please welcome aboard the Priestley family. Disney Wish, please welcome aboard the Kill family.
You guys are too bad. I'll go. Escape.